Your website is often the first place people interact with your business, so it's crucial that it's secured and up to date. Regular monitoring of your website is a must for keeping your business running smoothly. With website maintenance services at WebCare, our experts will make sure your website leaves a good impression. Our team of experienced web developers will treat your website with care so you can focus on running your business. We'll cover your site security with routine security scans and regular CMS security patches. We'll make edits to your site on a regular basis so it looks and functions as you want it to. We'll back up your site as well so you can be sure that your content is safe. And if you have any urgent issues on your website, our developers will be available to resolve them as quickly as possible. If you're ready to improve your website's performance, don't hesitate to contact our team. We can't wait to partner with you. Visit us at https://webcare.butterword.com.